So today's review video is gonna be on Shenseea Jigga Jigga. She's the same one that did the song with Vybz Kartel, Lodi, that I did a review on a few months back. So she put out a new song and a new video, and she's doing her thing on Rapid, okay? She did put out this song on Rapid now, and that's what I talked about in my last video. So we're gonna do the review on the video, yeah? And the lyrics of the song. So keep on watching the song and say jiggle jiggle, broke out. And then when me jiggle jiggle, broke out. When me jiggle jiggle, girl broke out. And then she said jiggle jiggle, me body a jiggle jiggle, make a bend and I ride it like a bicycle. Jiggle jiggle, my body a jiggle, do it fast cause me know my body fit like figure. Inna the middle me a jump and a jiggle, make a bend then me ride it like a bicycle. Jiggle jiggle, body feel a jiggle, broke out and a time for me sibble. And then go into the first verse and say cock it up and set it good. Like battles to the crate, move it in and out, up and down like an elevator. Yeah, me hold tight, me pussy full of glue like alligator. Catch the view of my body moving like a salt shaker. Add up fast, pass me the fucking calculator. The amount of pressure you quiver, the calibrator. Extend my body, I mean at the younger. When me done, now go run in your mouth like Tracy commentator. Bumbo clot. See it there? And then she go in the chorus again and say jiggle jiggle, me body feel jiggle jiggle. Make a bend and ride it like a bicycle. Jiggle jiggle, me body feel jiggle jiggle. Do it fast cause me know me body fit like figure. Inna the middle me jump and a jiggle, make a bend and me ride it like a bicycle. Jiggle jiggle, me body feel jiggle. And then she said, broke out, no time for me sibble. Then she go in the second verse. Like a tectonic plate, but the jaw just a collide. The wine you upgrade, me mate if you turn a wife. Alright, so, the girl not easy, you know. Pan the body head, me pussy just a glide. Bumbo clot. See ya. Me repeat that again. Like tectonic plate, the body jaw just a collide. The wine you upgrade matey fit on wife. Pan the body head, the pussy just a glide. Make a man no one left me side. And me gate him reside. Bumbo clot. Boy! Have to take a set, me pussy good, me know you like that wine here. I'm gonna make you feel like you feel resign from your work. Make you want to live up in my vagina. Wine from top, go straight down to the base line. And then she go into the chorus and say, jiggle, jiggle, my body feel jiggle. Make a bend and ride it like a bicycle. Jiggle, jiggle, my body feel jiggle. And then she said jiggle jiggle again. My body feel jiggle jiggle. Make a bend and ride it like a bicycle. Jiggle jiggle. My body feel jiggle. Do it fast. Me know my body fit like figure. Inna the middle me a jump and a jiggle. Make a bend and roll. Me ride like a bicycle. Jiggle jiggle. My body feel jiggle. Broke out and no time for me sibble. And I say when me jiggle jiggle, broke out. When me jiggle jiggle, broke out. When me jiggle jiggle, girl I broke out. And that was the lyrics on girl, me always fuck up a name, so forgive me. Shenseea Jigga Jigga song. And honestly, that girl here, the thing say Aisha now fix up and set up and all these things and come give Spice a run for your money. But right now, Shenseea they give me vibes. Like this girl is really doing her thing. She dropped video after video after video and song after song after song. And this is what I like about her. She reminds me of J Capri, and I said this in the first review video that I did. This girl reminds me of J Capri so much. Nothing. I'm like how as soon as she do a song, she have visuals to match. She have a video. And this is what some artists don't understand. We live in a visual social media age. So when you have one song that do road, you need to have a music video for it so people can see the visual aspect of the video. I like how she did in the video, slap up Batty John and go on with a bag of things. In the video, I actually like it. I like how she's not a part of the mold. And I watch her on Nightly Fix. I watch her interview on Nightly Fix, and they talk about all her business for Nightly Fix and sucking pum pum and all these things. And you know how Jamaican people talk when they come on to pum pum argument and sucking pum pum and all these things. And the girl have no fear. And I appreciate that. I like that in a female that has no fear when it comes on to her craft, and she do her thing. Also in that Nightly Fix interview, she talked about how Vybz Kartel, how the collaboration with Ludi, and how our management team just put the song together. She recorded her part, and then Vybz Kartel. My girl needs to big up Vybz Kartel, because a Vybz Kartel bring you a following. A Vybz Kartel put you out there, because honestly enough people never know about you before Lodi. So give the man props. But I understand from a business standpoint where she's coming from, where she don't want to be too much associated with Vybz Kartel, because now you know, say anybody who associated with Vybz Kartel, them get them visa take away, or them don't want to get them visa. So I understand the business aspect of it. But anyway, the girl there, me feel so that girl there I come kick with enough female dancehall artist foot. I feel like she'll give Spice a run for her money. Like, me feel that she's one of those people that can actually become a contender for Spice. Me hear the girl spit off a freestyle on Nightly Fix, and it was up to par, man. You know how when some artists then get put on spot, and because they're a recorded artist and they write them lyrics and stuff, then can't spit off like 6 bars. Since she has spit off her 6 bars and more when they put it on the spot on Nightly Fix. And I appreciate that. This girl is about to do big things, and you heard it here first, okay? You heard it here first. She reminds me of J Capri. She's about to come kick with no female dancehall artist foot in the business. And the only advice I have for her, keep your legs them closed, please. Keep your legs closed, because once a female dancehall artist come into the business, them always like cover down and pass her around from producer to producer and all these things and use them up, and then after a while you don't hear nothing about them. Close your legs for me, please, girl. Me have high hopes here. High hopes. Keep them locked. And to the way she speaks, I feel like she's one of those girls that have her head on locked straight, and she's down for business. You know, she's not about the other aspects that can come with doing dancehall music. So, since she do her thing, jiggle jiggle video up. What I mean say up, it up, okay? And our lyrics. Let me just spit off my favorite lyrics in this song again. Let me just spit it off, you know. Like Titanic plate, Batty John just a collider when you upgrade from a matey fit on a wife. Pan the body head, the pussy just a slide. Man, make a man no left me side, and me get him reside. Have it take a set, me pussy good, me know you like the wine. I gonna make you feel like you want to resign from your work. Make you want to live up in my vagina. Wine from the top, go straight down to the baseline. The girl they go hard, okay? Sincere thing up, my girl. Jiggle jiggle video up, it up, my girl. Continue do your thing, large. We have high hopes for you. and I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. And I'm out of here. Deuce.